My name is Terry Skaggs. I've been here for 6 years at Meridian Brick, and I'm the plant manager. The lighting here was 36 years old, so the maintenance on them, we were constantly repairing, changing them. The place had a lot of shadows. US Energy put together a proposal, very precise, on as far as all the equipment we were going to need, the materials we were going to need, the cost of the installation, the time, also the payback, month by month payback on it. It was a very complete package. It covered everything. It was great. The LEDs compared to the halogens that we had in there, the low sodium bulbs, are more maintenance friendly. The change of bulbs is fairly easy, and the life of the LED is longer than the other bulbs, so it's going to be less maintenance time. The overall maintenance upkeep is going to be easy. It's a 30 or 40% increase in lighting out there. It just brightened the whole plant. Looking at your equipment, inspections of the equipment, inspections of your quality, it enhanced it all. We were able to come in and say, hey, look, that belt's got a little more wear on it than we noticed with a flashlight. You can see it now just out of natural light. We're prone to power blinks here. It was a big safety factor for us. And with the other type lights, when the power blinks, you have to wait for them to cool off and come back on. Sometimes it's 7 to 8 minutes, and the guys are in the dark. We just had a blink day before yesterday, and there was no loss of light. Work could start right back up. It was excellent. When you have an employee that comes in and you got a brighter workplace, the morale picks up. It's just, instead of a dark and dingy place to work, you got a nice bright place. I didn't see 1 second of production slow down. I didn't have to stop for them. We worked well together. When they told me they needed to be in a certain area at night, I'd make sure that I had all the equipment out of the way so they could get to it. It was a really positive experience working with these guys. I was shocked at the payback time on this project. Most of the times you're looking at a payback of 3 to 4 years. This one paid back in 13 months. A $120,000 project that pays back in 13 months is just unreal. I would recommend a new light project to anybody. To have US Energy come in, do the audit, and put the proposal package together. This package was so complete, I didn't have to do any follow-ups whatsoever. I presented the package straight to the guys that okays the capital. The accountants looked at it. They loved it. It was a done deal as soon as they seen it. I had no problem working with US Energy. I would recommend them to anybody.